So, kailangan mo talaga mag-perfect.
Sa akin naman, kagaya na sinabi ni Galen, napakaganda ng songs ni Sir Rico Blanco. So, enjoy namin yung process. Talagang, nagulat kami sa kung paano lumabas yung arrangement for the show. Pero story-wise, ako naman sa pag-uulang ng character ko, doon ako medyo talagang na-challenge. Kasi, siyempre, parang puso ng show si Ellie Season. Dapat mabibigagampanan siya ng maayos. And also, dahil natrabaho ko yung mga kasama ko, mahusay talaga ng mga actor. Marami ako nakukuha from them. So, lucky ako na I am also guided by them and through them, marami ako natutunan. So, every time na nag-rehearse ako, meron ako natutunan. So, yun yung takeaway ko talaga, learning also.
Nagko-compare notes ba kayong dalawa? Kasi since pareho kayo.
Siyempre, importante na magtulungan talaga. Especially original ko. So, wala naman kami pinagpapasilin pa. Mag-collaborate. Kaya sinabi niya collaborative process, very workshop. So, creatively na-boost yung creativity namin. So, kailangan po namin magtulungan.
We're there for each other. I mean, one question away always. So, dapat available ka for them.
Sabi mo nga, mahirap yung role, mahirap itong ginagawa mo dito. So, madugurin ba ang craft?
Oh yes.
Madugo.
Dugot pawis ang inaalay ko dito tuwing nagpupunta ako dito sa Mirror Studio. Wala talaga kasi we're told talaga not to say really anything para hindi na-spoil kasi gusto talaga namin i-surprise lahat ng makakapanood. Finally, sa March 7, right? Lapit na kami mag-open. So, konting-konti na lang, iintayin yung mga pare. Mapapanood yun yung pinaghihirapan namin. At maiintindihan nyo bakit marami kami hindi pwede sabihin during the interview. Ayun. So, preparation, lahat naman kami may, talaga, iba-iba kami ng klase ng preparation sa characters namin. Pero, since nga this is theater, walang take to dito, di ba? Lahat puso lang, so at saka utak. So, yun talaga yung mas kailangan namin pag-anayan.
May song ka ba dito na kinakanta mo kay Puno?
I think yung single niyang bago.
Yes, Tito Larry. Yung single ko kung Ikaw at Ako, lalabas na po yan very soon sa musical platform.
Ayan yung mo, diba? Kinakanta mo sa kanya nung kaman.
Buti, preggy pa lang ako. Lalabay na yun ni Uno. Tapos nung nilabas ko siya, kinakanta na niya ngayon. Kasi may yun talaga lalabay niya pag pinapatulog ko siya. So, malapit
si Uno eh.
Lalaking singer.
Baka nila yan yung aking album. Wow.
Ay, Brianna, mahirap ba? Since you're doing several roles here as a member of the ensemble.
Yeah, like I said earlier, medyo physically, siya. There's a lot of movement and then second medyo it's challenging. Pero since we do practice every single day, you see that something I'm slowly starting to get used to. I
So, sabi ni Gab, hindi na raw kayo nagpa-plan for Valentine's. Kumbaga, hindi na yun big for you kasi dumaan na kayo doon. So, Friday, work ka rin?
Oo unfortunately, sobra kaming busy na eh. Pero kami ni Gab, kahit the smallest occasion, she always make it a point na kahit pa paano may ginawa. It's because we're already 8 years in a relationship and I think we both agree na those small moments, they matter so much. They add excitement to our relationship. So even though busy kami this week, sana makahanap kami ng time para makapag-celebrate ng Valentine's. We're also celebrating our anniversary next week. So hopefully makahanap ng skip out of
Anthony, sa Friday, sa Valentine's Day, sino kakantahan mo lang? Bato Bala?
Ayun, dito na lang ako kakanta sa rehearsal kasi rehearsal kami whole day eh. So, wala mo, natrabaho muna yung aking Valentine's Day. Kami, lalabas kami after rehearsal.
Sa Valentine's, sa kakantahin ba ikaw at ako, di ba?
Diba sa Valentine's Day, yes, ikaw at ako, kakanta ko yung ako sa movie. Paano mo next year meron ng ikakanta na sa akin? I-manifest natin.
Why not, di ba? Yun, si Brianna hindi mapapagalitan pa siya ng daddy niya.
Single siya, lalabas nito lang.
Lalabas. My Valentine will be my single.
Yes.
Sana po.
Wow! Friday na.
Ayun, sa Friday na rin
It's Friday
lalabas.
Valentine's Day. Yung title po niya, Kung Masasaktan Lang. And it's my first single. My first song actually under Sia May Playlist.
Okay. Yun, okay, sige. So, March 7.
Ayan, mga kapuso, abangan nyo po. Malapit na po ang opening namin sa Liwanag sa Dilim. Kailan ba?
March 7 and
Sun Theater. Yes.
This is a production by Nine Works Theatricals, directed by Bobby Ibarra. See you guys there.
Ayan, Safety Theater. Thank you.
With this being original, how proud are you guys to present it?
buti na lang yung open with it. Like, nalalaro pa nila si Uno. Sila pa ngayon kung kailan mo na ulit dadaling si Uno dito. So, mga ganong things. Yeah.
So you consider him your liwanag sa dilim?
Oo naman. Nasa loob pa lang siya ng tiyan ko. Talagang iniwanan lang niya.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Napansin ko po kasi na most of the cast po is from parang theater na or may experience na. Although sinisita na nung sila, I think 2018 or 2019.
Yes,
Ang
from
buwan.
Cyprus.
Pero it's been a long time na, 6 years. And you've been on TV series, movies, movie. Like yung videos were na successful. So right now, parang question is, paano po kayo nag-prepare or paano po yung process since ang tagal po yung theater?
Prayers. Prayers talaga. No, but really, my first original musical plays from Nine Works as well. Musical na po. So this is my, after giving birth, it was like 2 years na ako nag-break from showbiz. Then I accepted Widow's War. Then after that, ito yung pinaka-comeback ko din sa music. Also, still with Nine Works. So super grateful for them. And yun, ano pa bang hindi naman ako kasi lagi ko pinapabayan nila Sir Sandy, nila Derek Robbie. Of course, grabe. Nung nalaman ko yung mga katrabaho ko, na-excite ako lalo bumalik sa teatro kasi most of them hindi ko pa sila nakakatrabaho. Kaya mas na-excite ako at fan ako ng mga cast na kasama dito. So, masarap lang sa puso lang ng trabaho. Thank you.
Siguro, okay, so maybe to wrap this up, siguro for the cast, maybe give one word of what the audience can expect from Liwanag sa Dilim. English or Tagalog? One word. One word. Enough time? Sige, since nag-start tayo dito. Ito naman, kay John. One word. One word is what the audience can expect.
No, don't. Ano ba, John?
Sige, actually, you want to?
Hindi. Ako na ba? One word.
Yes.
Humbling. Sorry, personal yun. Humbling.
Humbling.
Next.
Nagbabago.
Alive.
Journey.
Wow.
Yes.
Ang pag-check-in. Go.
Hope.
Visual.
Alam.
Mariah. Kabo. Crazy Ride.
Liwanag. Liwanag. Oo, huwag na tayo. Liwanag.
Energy.
roller coaster.
Surprising.
Exciting. Forgiveness.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. Ayan. Actually, Robbie, would you like to give one word?
Mystery.
Mystery. And that is
Perfect.
show.
Wait.